Hello friends and a very good morning to all of you. Dear students, yesterday we have completed the ninth lesson from your English textbook and that was a poem. Which poem? Have you remembered the name of that poem? Yes, it was Try Auntie Auntie Gongo Love. This was a very interesting, funny and strange poem that we have finished yesterday, and I hope that you might have enjoyed learning that poem. So dear students, today we are going to start the next lesson, and that is 3 sacks of rice. This is the 10th lesson from your English textbook. 3 sacks of rice. Before we start learning this story, let me tell you what the story is about. Dear students, this story is about 3 brothers, their hard work, their honesty and their way of thinking. This particular lesson tells us a moral message, and it also tries to convey us the true life of meaning, or how we can lead or live the ideal life. This story can help us to understand the inherent nature of the life and how society wants us to behave or to live. So let us start this poem. The text. You may have read many stories about 3 brothers. Usually 2 of them, the elder ones, are strong, clever but unkind. They laugh at the youngest one because he is too simple and soft-hearted. In the first paragraph of this story, they are telling us that you must have heard the stories of 3 brothers, in which the 2 elder brothers were strong but unkind, and they might be laughing at the youngest brother because he was so simple in his lifestyle. Yes, we have learned these kind of stories, particularly in last class, means when you were in 4th standard, we have talked about that kind of a story where the 2 brothers were very strong, they were clever but they were unkind, and the younger brother was very simple. Okay, so what happens next? See, in this lesson, our story also has 3 brothers who lived in a small town, but they were all 3 of them honest. Now see, this is a very interesting story because here all 3 brothers are honest. No one is unkind, no one is strong, no one is weak. All 3 are honest. So we can also call it the story of 3 honest brothers because all 3 are honest. Then what is the difference? The difference in between their way of thinking, their kindness towards the society and the world. So we will try to understand this throughout this lesson. See, the elder one ran a shop, the middle one was a priest, and the youngest one had just finished his education. The elder brother was running a shop, the middle brother was a priest, and the youngest brother had just completed his education. So these are the 3 brothers, and all 3 are honest, and their story we have to learn. So I think, my dear students, today I have introduced you to this lesson 3 sacks of rice, and I told you the background that this story is about 3 brothers and all 3 brothers are honest, and elder brother is running a shop, the middle one is a priest, and the last youngest one had just completed his education. So what happened next in this story, we'll learn in our next video. Till then, thank you and take care.